In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically track mutual fund investments using Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself manually tracking your mutual funds, you're in luck, because this method will make your life a lot easier. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already done so, you can easily create one by navigating to Google Sheets on your browser. Once you're on the website, initiate a new blank spreadsheet. This will serve as our basic workspace where we'll set up our formulae and track our investments. Once your Google Sheet is open and ready, move on to the cell B2. This is where we'll start inputting our data formula. Click on cell B2 to activate it so you can start typing your formula directly into this cell. Now in cell B2, type in the formula EOS Google Finance A2. What this formula does is pull financial data related to a stock, currency, or indeed mutual fund directly from Google Finance. It's a powerful and simple tool to automate the tracking of market dynamics straight into your spreadsheet. Here, A2 refers to the cell where you should input the ticker symbol of your specific mutual fund. If you need the latest value, this setup will retrieve it for you automatically. Once you've typed out the formula, go ahead and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Hitting Enter will execute the formula, and you should immediately see the cell populate with data pulled from Google Finance. The magic of this step is that it allows you to get real-time updates whenever you open your spreadsheet without having to input data manually. Now, let's make things even more efficient by utilizing the autofill feature. This handy tool allows you to apply the same formula to a range of cells without having to retype or copy and paste repeatedly. To do this, click on the little square at the bottom right of your active cell, B2 in this case, and drag it down along the column where you want the formula to continue working. As you drag, you'll notice other cells execute similar formulas pertaining to the tickers in the corresponding cells of column A. And that's all there is to it. By now, your Google Sheet should be automatically updating information for your mutual funds every time you access it, saving you time and hassle. There you have it, a systematic and straightforward way to automate your mutual fund investment tracking with Google Sheets. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in simplifying your financial management tasks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore the Google Finance documentation or reach out in the comments section below. Happy tracking. Peace.